Let's see problems in third unit. First one, the design of quarter wave transformer to match a 10 ohm load to a 8 ohm line at 3000 megahertz. The coaxial cable is filled with a dielectric with epsilon r equal to 2.54. Calculate the length and inner diameter of cable if the outer diameter is 0.6 centimeter. Okay, in this case, first load impedance is given 10 ohm and characteristic impedance of the line is 80 ohm. Frequency 3000 megahertz are given. The characteristic impedance of the quarter wave line, now its values Z01 equal to square root of Z0 into ZL. Apply this formula and find out the Z01. Its value is 28.28 ohm. The normalized load resistance ZL dash equal to ZL divided by Z01. Then its value is 10 divided by 28.28 is equal to 0.354. So from this you calculate the lambda and then find the L. So quarter wave line is L equal to length of the line is lambda by 4. So lambda formula on the lambda equal to C by F. Otherwise இங்கே வந்து என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்கன்னா dielectric constant is epsilon r is given. So here dielectric lambda equal to C by F into square root of epsilon r. So C by F that is lambda is given 10 divided by square root of epsilon r. Its value is 6.275 centimeter. Then length of the quarter wave line is lambda C by 4 equal to 1.568 centimeter. Next you have to find B values, that is B and A values. Using என்ன formula யூஸ் பண்ணோம்னா characteristic impedance of the line Z01 equal to 138 divided by square root of epsilon r into log of base log 10 B by A. So now substitute Z01 epsilon r values. B by A is we don't know. Let us assume that is log of B by A equal to 0.38266. Now the given value is B equal to 0.6 centimeter. Substitute B and find the value of A. Here the A value is 0.283 centimeter. And second problem is a transmission line with the characteristic impedance 50 ohm is connected to a load ZL. ZL equal to 40 plus J 10 ohm. The frequency is 750 megahertz and the transmission line is air filled. First one, find the shortest length of this open circuit stub, shorter distance ds from the load in order to provide a perfect match on the main line to the left of the stub. Okay, இங்கே டேட்டாஸ் வந்து எல்லாமே இன்டெரக்டாக கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஓப்பன் சர்க்யூட் ஸ்டப் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அப்போ first you write the given data. Load impedance ZL equal to 40 plus J 10 ohm, Z0 is 50, frequency F equal to 750 megahertz. So first you find the normalized load impedance. Normalized load impedance ZL dash equal to Z0 divided by Z0. Then lambda equal to C by F. Next you have to calculate the K value. K equal to formula ZL minus Z0 divided by ZL plus Z0. Then you have to find the values of standing ratio. S equal to S வேணும்னா 1 plus modulus of K divided by 1 minus modulus of K. So இந்த values calculate பண்ணிட்டு length of the stub formula LS equal to lambda by 2 pi tan inverse of square root of S divided by S minus 1. On the formulas S and lambda values substitute பண்ணினா you will get the location of the length of the stub நமக்கு கிடைச்சிடும். This is the simplest one. Okay, and third problem is the length of the coaxial line having R0 equal to 75 and the phase velocity Vp equal to 200 meter per nanoseconds is terminated in a short circuit and operated at a frequency of 10 megahertz. Determine the shortest length of the cable such that the line appear as a 1 microheat inductance. Use Smith chart. So Smith chart problems நான் Smith chart இது பண்ண போகிறோம் நான் உங்களுக்கு எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணுறேன். ஓகேவா? ஸோ பிஃபோர் தட் யூ ஆர் ஆல் டு பை Smith chart எல்லாம் வாங்கிக்கோங்க. வாங்கிட்டீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு நான் அதை எக்ஸ்பிளைன் போது ஈஸியாக அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம்.